Good morning, one and all. Uh, Thank you for visiting my channel. Today, I will be going to teach you how to write a program on bus number. If the question must be coming in your examination, it might become. So, write a program and check whether the entered value of the user is a bus number or not. So, first and all, we need to just get an overview of what is in bus number. So, if bus number are those numbers which ends with 7 or divisible by 7, means if the user has input 7, then it is a bus number, and if the user has input 28, then also it's a bus number, as 28 is divisible by 7 and 7 is also divisible by 7, but it ends with 7. If the user has input 27, then also it's a bus number, as 27 ends with 7. And if the user has input 53, then it's not a bus number, as it doesn't end with 7. Second condition, it will check whether it is divisible by 7, then also the output is what the condition we are getting, false, so it's not a bus number. So let's write the program and then I will give you more explanation about it. First and all, we need to take an variable. So in this video I will be going to take new variable, let it be named as p. We have to take the value in p, so p is equals to int input enter a number, and then we have to take make a new variable where we need to store the last digit of an input value. Suppose if the user has input 27, then we need to check the last number whether the last digit is 7 or not. So we can take here last is equals to input value, that is p modulus of 10. Now the modulus function gives the remainder, and then we need to check an condition if this last is equals to 7 or p is means what we can write, p is modulus p modulus 7 is equals to 0, then print it's a bus number, else print not a bus number. Now let me to explain you. We have taken a variable named as p, in which we are going to take the value from the user. P is equals to int input enter number. Suppose if the user has input 27, we are just supposing it, then the last is equals to p modulus 10, means 27. When we divide 27 by 10, then what will be the remainder? The remainder will be 7, and then it will check whether last is equals, now the last we are having the value of last is equals to 7. Now it will check whether last is equals to 7. If the value is right, then it will not go in the second part, but it will come under the condition and it will print it's a bus number. And if the user has input 28, then what is the last value, then what is the value of 28 if we divide 28 by 10? Then the remainder will come 8. It will check whether last is equals to 7, whether 8 is equals to 7, then it will come false. Then it will come to the next part of the condition and it will check whether 28 is divisible by 7. When we divide 28 by 7, is the remainder coming 0? Then it's right, yes it's true, then also it will print it's a bus number. And if the user has given means number which doesn't end with 7 or it is not divisible by 7. Suppose if the user has input 53, then it will come into the variable p, and then last is equals to 53 modulus of 10. If we divide 53 by 10, then what will be the remainder? Remainder will come 3. Now the value of last is equals to 3. Now it will check whether 3 is equals to 7. Then it's wrong. No. It will come to the next part, and here it will come whether the value what the user has input, that is 53, is divisible by 7 and the remainder is 0. Then this is also wrong. So it will come out of the then it will come to the else part, and it will print not a bus number. So thank you for watching this video.